Nestled amongst the rolling hills, a new home is taking shape that whispers of a bygone era. A departure from the McMansion sprawl of recent years, this dwelling embraces a philosophy of less is more, drawing inspiration from the mid-century modern homes that once dotted the landscape. Designed for a family seeking a simpler, more intentional way of living, the home exemplifies the growing trend of downsizing with style. The architects behind the project have shunned ostentatious displays in favor of a minimalist approach that celebrates natural materials. The home structure boasts rammed earth walls, a sustainable and visually striking choice that speaks to the owner's desire to connect with their environment. Limestone floors add an earthy elegance underfoot, their cool tones complementing the warmth of the Douglas fir with ceilings that grace the interior. This interplay of textures continues throughout the home, blurring the lines between internal and external living spaces. While the overall footprint of the house is decidedly cozy, the architects have cleverly maximized the feeling of spaciousness. The minimalist use of materials and clean lines contribute to an uncluttered aesthetic, allowing the focus to shift towards the beauty of nature and curated art pieces. Large windows strategically placed throughout the home bathe the interior in natural light, further enhancing the sense of openness and fostering a connection with the surrounding landscape. Sustainability is a key consideration in this modern take on mid-century design. The architects hint at the potential for incorporating elements like solar panels on the roof or a rainwater collection system. These features not only lessen the environmental impact of the home, but also resonate with the values of the owners, who strive for a simpler, more responsible way of life. The vision for this home extends beyond the walls. A small, private patio tucked off the main living area serves as an invitation to connect with the outdoors. Here, the homeowners can unwind and soak in the natural beauty that surrounds them. Imagine evenings spent stargazing or mornings filled with the sounds of nature, a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle often associated with contemporary living. This hillside haven serves as a testament to the growing trend of downsizing with intention. As families reevaluate their needs and environmental impact, homes that prioritize quality over quantity are gaining traction. This particular project demonstrates how thoughtful design and a focus on natural materials can create a space that is both stylish and comfortable, a true sanctuary for those seeking a life of simple sophistication.